How Tony Rebel built his music empire and collaborated with Colaz Smith TV. Reggae fans, if you're vibing with Tony Rebel's conscious lyrics and want more authentic Jamaican content, subscribe to Colaz Smith TV at Colazmith on YouTube and share the love. With nearly 200,000 subscribers and over 100 million views, Colaz Smith's channel is a vibrant showcase of Jamaican culture, food, and community stories. Hit that subscribe button and share to join this cultural journey. Tony Rebel, born Patrick George Anthony Barrett on January 15, 1962, in Manchester Parish, Jamaica, built a reggae music empire through his distinctive singjay style, Rastafarian ethos, and commitment to social change. Starting as Papa Tony or Tony ranking on Sugar Minott's youth promotion sound system, his career took off with the 1988 single, Casino, on MGB Records. His big break came in the early 1990s with Donovan Germain's Penthouse Records, where hits like Fresh Vegetable and Nazerite Vow established him as a cultural reggae icon. His 1993 album Vibes of the Times, Columbia Records, gained international acclaim, blending roots reggae with dancehall humor. Rebel's discography, including If Jah, 1997, and Realms of Rebel, 2001, reflects his focus on peace and positivity. In 1994, Rebel founded Flames Records and the Rebel Salute Festival, held annually on his birthday in Jamaica. Rebel Salute, a cornerstone of roots reggae, showcases artists like Queen Ifrica and promotes Rastafarian values, growing into one of Jamaica's largest music festivals. His entrepreneurial ventures, including producing and philanthropy like scholarships for Marcus Garvey High students, have bolstered his estimated net worth of $1 to $2 million by 2025. Rebel's community work, such as his 2001 UN Volunteers song, Not All About Money, underscores his role as a social commentator. While Tony Rebel did not build Colaz Smith TV, his collaborations with Colaz Smith, a Portland, Jamaica-based YouTuber, amplified the channel's cultural reach. Launched in 2011, Colaz Smith TV grew to 197,000 subscribers and over 100 million views across 2,330 videos by 2025, focusing on rural Jamaican life, cooking, and community initiatives like road repairs. Smith featured Rebel in videos, leveraging his reggae legend status to draw fans. Clips of Rebel performing hits like Sweet Jamaica or discussing Rastafarian principles enriched Smith's content, blending music with cultural storytelling. These collaborations boosted engagement, aligning with Smith's mission to showcase authentic Jamaican experiences, from curry beef cookouts to philanthropy. Rebel's global fanbase, built through performances at festivals like Summer Jam in Germany, drove traffic to Smith's channel. Smith's entrepreneurial approach, monetizing through ads, sponsorships and merchandise, echoed Rebel's hustle, while his consistent uploads and fan interaction via WhatsApp, +1 87635055459, mirrored Rebel's audience connection. Together, Tony Rebel's music empire and his strategic appearances on Colaz Smith TV created a powerful platform celebrating Jamaica's heritage, proving the impact of collaboration. Subscribe and share to keep the reggae vibes alive.